Hey, I'm Joe and I'm crazy about nails. My belief is that your nails are your business card. Now, regarding the semi-permanent nail polish, there are many questions and many tips and tricks that I will reveal you in other videos. But in this video, let's focus on how to remove your semi-permanent nail polish from your nails. When applying the cotton pad on your nail and the aluminum foil, it's very important to put the shiny part of the aluminum foil up. Not this one, but the shiny one. You put it up and this way you'll have faster and better results. If you don't trust me, try it at home and send me your feedback. Once again, there are many tips and tricks regarding nails and semi-permanent nail polish. I'll be sharing them with you, so subscribe to my channel, turn on the notifications and spread the word about it. Love you, bye!